Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I want to talk about Alberta signing a supply agreement with 13 companies. Some of the companies are Supreme, Abcan, Alphira, Aurora, Candras, Canopy, Emerald, American, Metroleaf, Organigram, Starseed Medicine, which I've never heard of before. That's the only one. But Up Cannabis, which is hip, tragically hip. I'm surprised that they're up here. I didn't think they would get a supply agreement in Alberta. Weed MD. Aurora got the most supply out of everybody. They got 25,000 kilograms for the first 6 months. Canopy got 15,000. I don't know what the rest are. I didn't really look into it. But, yeah. I've heard all of these companies except for Starseed Medicine. But, it looks like Alberta will be very well supplied when the legalization market comes up, because all these companies are going to be supplying Alberta. So lack of supply is probably not going to happen in Alberta. This is just my opinion. The Metroleaf one is weird because they don't announce how much supply they got, but it doesn't matter since they're going to be merging with Aurora, I believe, unless something wrong happens, and they don't. It's weird because they're coming out with 2 name brands. San Rafael 71. I thought this was gonna be a cannabis beverage drink that is there's no cannabis in it, but they might be naming this as a name brand for one of the cannabis products. So yeah, it's a little weird. Ultra Vi, I thought that was gonna be like a cannabis crunch, but it might be a package for, like, it might be a name brand for the cannabis products and not actual cannabis crunch. But I'll be I'm hoping to see this and Ultra Vi inside liquor stores or Alcana stores, but you never know. And then I want to share you guys with this. This is Aurora's facility. It looks really big. There's only one of the flowering rooms out of like 17 flowering rooms. It looks like there's no space to walk. I would love to see one of these machines operating, picking up these plants. Hopefully, when it gets completed, I can tour the facility and film. I would love that. Yeah, that would be I think that would be very exciting. Liquor stores is depressing. There hasn't been news on this company for months. Like, I think management is just pure lazy. They should have at least come out with some. Oh, we've set up some stores. We signed up some lease. We secured how many locations. But nope, no information. They're just like, oh, we're too big. We don't really care. Type of scenario. I don't really know, but it pisses me off that this company doesn't disclose very much information about itself, which sucks. I went through the investor relations, and I couldn't find any information on any of the cannabis stores. I could call the head office and ask them. I was thinking maybe getting a job for fun, but they're probably not looking for people who are not serious to work in the dispensary, because once they train an employee, they don't want to just quit and leave after like a few months. That's exactly what I was gonna do. I was gonna work there for fun for a few months, then quit. They probably wouldn't like that, but hey, they don't know that I'm there for a few months. But I'm hoping maybe I can get a job at one of these liquor stores for fun, just for fun. And I did find something interesting on the Edmonton Journal on the internet that they're setting up. Canopy is setting up one of their stores. It's going to be called Tweet, and it's going to be in Edmonton. It's gonna come online in late October. I'm curious. I'm hoping to go into one of these stores and check them out. It would be very interesting. I hope that Aurora with Alcana, Aurora managed to get one of the name brand on the stores, like it'd be called Aurora, but that's wishful thinking. And I don't think Alcana will. I mean, Aurora could just take over Alcana, but I don't think they want to be part of the liquor business. They just want to be straight up cannabis. Because look at Alcana, it's only $339 million, and Aurora already owns 25% of the company. So, and they have an option to own up 40%. So I can easily see Aurora taking over this company, especially if they have 25% locked up, and they just need another 75%, like 50% if they wanted to do a takeover. But I don't know. I really don't know. So Namaste didn't really move anywhere today. It kind of just stabilized at like $1.57 ish. The volume has been extremely low. It's been less than a million shares. Like yesterday was also less than a million shares. Today it's almost closing time. It's another hour and a half, and it's only 604,000 shares. I think since they handed in the documents on Friday, and Monday was a holiday, I'm assuming that they can start buying on Friday. I don't know if they'll go out the gate buying right away, unless they know that their sales license is coming, and then that would be a smart thing. I'm hoping they get their sales license on July 6th. It'll make me feel good because my birthday is on July 7th. And it would kind of, I don't know, it feel good because it'll make my weekend if Namaste got their sales license on Friday. So let's hope. Yeah. Today the U.S. stock market was open. Yesterday it was closed, but today is open. Tesla had a decline all the way down to $297, and then it bounced back. I believe in this company for the long term. Short term will be very volatile. If you guys bought in around $300, you would have made at least a decent chunk back already. I think that in July, I think by the end of July, when the company comes out with some good numbers about their cars, that consistent 5,000, I believe they will hit a consistency of 5,000 cars per month. Per week. And analysts are just bashing on Tesla right now because they're trying to short the stock. At least this is my opinion. There's also news that they are cutting back on the roll and brake tests or something, but Elon Musk says that their cars are safe. They test every single car that comes out of the factory. So I don't know, but if you look at this long term, I think it'll be fine. Even though the company's balance sheet is horrible, they lose money. They're supposed to make some money. Like they're supposed to turn profitable in August. So I don't know. I like to believe in this company in the long term, even though I'm not an investor. AMD, I was kind of shocked that AMD went to $17, $17.34 as a 52-week high, and then I said that I thought it was gonna stabilize around 15 to 14 to 16 dollars, which I turned out to be somewhat correct. Until I think the quarterly report is sometime in August. So I think this stock is going to stabilize around that price until their core report. If the report comes out positive and they have good numbers, the stock could take off again back to, like, I think it could pop to $19 if the report is good. They expect to be profitable all year round, the entire year. But if they can beat analyst expectations and their guidance is better than expectations, this stock could take off to $19. At least that's what I believe. I do not have any more shares of AMD. I sold off, I think I bought AMD stock around $10. I bought like 1,000 shares, and then I sold it off for Namaste. I sold off a lot of stuff for Namaste. And it was I guess it was good and was bad because, like, it was bad because, you know, AMD popped all the way to $17, but then I also sold my Terra Tech for Namaste, and now Terra Tech, I think I sold around $2.80, and now Terra Tech is $1.79. There was recently some really bad news that came out for Terra Tech on Seeking Alpha. Complete smoke show, questionable management, poorly run business, and dilution risk. We've uncovered lawsuit against TRTC from alleged unpaid supplier. Toxic convertible debt provides significant potential for shareholder illusion. The company paid $51.5 million for dispensary and related transaction. First dispensary license was received via a bribery. That sounds really bad, but Seeking Alpha is always bashing on companies, but even then, like, look, a Panda. Shorting only. Yeah, but there might be some truth to this regardless. All the management team in the past personal bankruptcy or a shareholder wipeout. CEO or treasury filed personal bankruptcy. CEO was allegedly involved in the mezzo spam and paid a settlement. So yeah, this stock's getting shorted like crazy. It could be a buying opportunity or maybe not. I don't know. It's up to you guys if you guys want to take the risk. Yeah. Oh yeah, okay. I managed, I think I went on my cell phone app and I ordered 2 grams of Aurora Frost, and I ordered 5 grams of Devil Thumb Kush or Zombie Kush. And then they called me and they said that they're still having problems with their packaging and they'll be able to ship my product out tomorrow. I wonder how fast this will sell out. I'm assuming that this will probably sell within a day or so. So that's why I ordered 2 grams just in case I want to try it. So I could have just ordered 1 gram. It is really expensive. It's $35 a gram. And Zombie Kush, because I just wanted to try it. It just sounds like a cool name, Zombie Kush. So yeah, that's all the updates I have for you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.